Welcome back, and we're going to have some pretty pictures for folks. Got a little preview over here.
You saw it behind me, didn't you? Just gorgeous. Yeah, we've had the best wildflower pictures, I think, this spring that we have seen in a long, long time. And this is one of the best, isn't it?
Oh.
Elizabeth Hart sent us this photograph. It's actually not from our hill country, despite how it looks. She was up in Ennis, Texas, when she took this just absolutely gorgeous picture of a field of beautiful bluebonnets, a little pond there, not being impacted by that expletive cabbage that we have around here. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Elizabeth, for sending us that picture. We really appreciate that one. Let's take a look outside tonight. Oh, by the way, we have a photo gallery of all of our best bluebonnet pictures on KXAN.com. You can find that right on our homepage. Tonight, it is absolutely wonderful. Skies are mostly clear now, 71 degrees in the city. By morning, 62. Temperatures very mild to start the day. But again, in the morning, we'll likely have some low clouds, maybe a little patchy light fog. It won't last very long. We'll be up to 78 with partly cloudy skies by noon. Then we end up again warmer than average tomorrow with a high temperature of about 84. Looks like this whole month is going to be warmer than average the way things are looking right now. Mild out in the hill country tonight. 64 in Fredericksburg, the cool spot. 70 in Burnett. Marble Falls coming in at 68. In our metro counties, everybody in the low 70s right now except South Austin, 68 and 69 degrees down in Wimberley. And off to the east, you folks looking really nice tonight too. 68 degrees in Elgin. Bastrop coming in at 69. It is officially mostly clear. Still 71 in town at Camp Mabry. Out at the airport, 65 degrees with a mostly clear sky. There's no wind in the city. The airport is south wind at 5 miles per hour. Still having some problem with the pollen, you allergy sufferers, I know. 1,198 the mold count today. Now the tree pollens have gone down. There was oak, pecan, a little bit of grass, also very tiny assortment of hackberry and sycamore and willow in today's count, but that was very, very small. Around the state, 60s and 70s, pretty nice across Texas tonight. I told you about those big storms out in West Texas. There was a funnel cloud near Pecos tonight. That's way out there to the west. Also, a tornado touchdown near Woodward, Oklahoma tonight, and some hail the size of grapefruits falling out of that thunderstorm in northwest Oklahoma. Now, while it looks like all of this is kind of heading down our direction, and it is right now, it's not going to last more than a couple hours. We'll see some of the high clouds blowing off of that. That's about it in terms of a rainfall anywhere near us. Now, if you look out here over the Pacific, there's a huge area of low pressure that is going to slowly move inland to the western U.S. over the next several days, but it will be later in the week before we even have a chance of any of these showers or storms that form out in West Texas and in North Texas to work into our part of the state, the way it looks right now. And then early next week, late in the weekend, early next week, a big chunk of that storm is going to drop much further south than the rest of it, and that will give us a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms and maybe some more widespread rain, maybe even a little bit of severe weather about a week from today, if not a little earlier. So, in the meantime, more of the same, upper 50s and low 60s tonight, high temperatures tomorrow, back up above 80 degrees, a little warmer than average tonight. Some low clouds streaming in off the Gulf later, then some high clouds coming in from West Texas too. 62 the low tomorrow, kind of a mix of clouds and sun. Let's go 84 degrees tomorrow afternoon. And little change on Wednesday. We'll begin to add some chances of rain and thunderstorms on Thursday, mainly hill country. Same thing on Friday. Gradually, they'll work a little closer to Austin, and then late in the weekend and early next week, we'll increase the chance of some rain and some storms as that big storm system in the west begins to head our way. And I'm sure by that time, we may be significantly increasing those chances of rain, too. When you wake up in the morning, make sure you join us. We start our day at 4:30 on KXAN News Today, and always bring you weather and traffic every 10